YouTube, what the fuck is up? And even though this is going to be the second part of my unboxing video before of my Acer W500 Icona tablet that runs Windows 7, which will be totally separate view on that. But anyway, more packages. Opening knife again. UDC knife for today. Spyderco Tenacious. Which one? I'll open this one first. Get this one out of the way. I already know what this is. And there it is. I'll stand for my tablet. Just figure out how the fuck this opens. Okay, that goes like that, that goes like that. And then the tablet just sits on it like that. Yes, okay. That's awesome. Just moving it back. Perfect fit. Then I can stick my mouse and my keyboard in there and it should be just fine. And then it folds up all nice, but I'm gonna leave it on the stand for now. Because it just looks freaking sick. I mean, doesn't that look awesome? For $550, it's pretty freaking sweet. It's like a little laptop, except one flat thing. Now, for my bigger purchase. I still have another purchase coming in via postal service, which takes forever to ship. Alright. I'll pull out this one here first. Help with my camera is facing the fucking screen. Sorry about that, guys. Victorinox. Let's get this little bad boy open. Which one do we have here? Voila. The Victorinox Pioneer, I think this one is. Bought my uncle one. And I'm like, oh, okay, I'll get one. It's oiled up already. This will go into my box collection. Not even in frame. This item. My second purchase. G6 airsoft gun. 6 caliber. I'll use this one to open it. And there it is, 1911. There's a powerful ass spring. Nice little magazine. Very large shot. All the other parts on it are fake. The barrel is orange tip, but I'll figure out a way to fix that. Plastic handles, but everything else is metal. Hammer you can't engage. Sights are decent. Let's just release the mag. I got a little sample of BBs. Right, well, I am gonna go play with my new toys, especially my gun. It's pretty loud. Yep, so that's about it for this video. I will see you guys later. What the fuck is up, YouTube? Last unboxing for my graduation unboxing series thing. Should have came up better to that. Anyway, unboxing knife for today. My brand new Victorinox Pioneer. At least I think that's what it's called. And let's see, where the fuck do I open this? I'll just do this. Did I even cut that? What the fuck? Screw it. That's why we have knives for a reason. Just cut right through the cardboard. Okay. Tape. more tape on that side. And we have not one Kershaw OD2. We have two Kershaw OD2s. One's for me, one is for my girlfriend, she is in Buffalo right now. So I'll keep one all nice and packed for her. And someone's bothering me. That's him later. I hate these packages. I almost scratched the knife. Let's go. Let's pop that bad boy out. Little knife. It's a little baby. Let's see. Around the same blade length as almost. I don't know, but nice little knife. Like the little lever effect thing. Patent pending. HCR13 MOV steel. Kershaw OD2. Nice little knife. I'll leave this one in the package, and this will be the last unboxing for a while. And for those of you that don't watch this, no, it is not a real gun. It is an airsoft gun, which I'll be doing a review on this, as well as shooting. It's a piece of crap. It's not loaded, but yeah, at least it's almost full metal. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Peace and out.